Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you work in medical billing or accounts receivable, this video is made for you, and you have to watch this video till the end. Because today, we're diving deep into one of the most misunderstood yet most important concepts in medical billing, which is timely filing limit, also known as TFL. And trust me, if you don't understand TFL clearly, you might be losing thousands of dollars in denied claims every single month. In this video, we will make it crystal clear, step by step, what timely filing limit, or TFL, means, how it works, how it affects AR callers, and what to do when a claim gets denied due to TFL or timely filing limit. So, let us start with a question. What exactly is timely filing limit, or TFL? Timely filing limit means the maximum time an insurance company gives you to submit a claim after the date of service. In short, if you miss that deadline, the insurance can legally deny your claim, even if everything else is perfectly correct. Every insurance company has its own rule. For example, Medicare insurance plan gives you 1 full year, or 12 months, from the date of service to submit your claim. Medicaid insurance plan usually allows 90 to 180 days, but it is depending on the state. And Tricare insurance plan typically give you 1 year to submit your claim from the date of service. Commercial insurance companies like Aetna, United Healthcare, or Blue Cross may allow 90 days or even 180 days to submit your claim. Once that deadline of TFL is crossed, the payer or insurance company has every right to deny your claim, even if everything else is 100% correct. That's why understanding TFL is non-negotiable for every medical biller, coder, and AR caller in the U.S. healthcare system. Let's make this crystal clear and super easy to understand. Imagine you're the patient. You visit a clinic on January 1st, 2025 for a surgery. Everything goes well. The treatment's done, and your provider generates a medical claim for that surgery. But here's where things go wrong. You forget to submit that claim to your insurance company on time. Now, let's say you're covered under Medicare, and Medicare allows a 12-month timely filing limit. That means you must submit your claim before December 31st, 2025. If you miss that deadline and submit it even a day later, let's say on January 1st, 2026, your claim will be instantly denied. And the reason you'll see on the explanation of benefits will read something like TFL expired or claim filed after timely filing limit. So even one missed day can cost the entire payment. That's how serious timely filing limits are in medical billing. Here's a hidden fact that many people in medical billing don't realize. The timely filing limit doesn't just apply to original claims. It also applies to corrected claims and claim resubmissions too. That means if your claim gets rejected or denied, you still have to resubmit it within the same TFL window, or you'll lose your payment completely. And here's where a lot of AR callers make a big mistake. They think that when a claim gets rejected, the timely filing clock resets. But it doesn't. The countdown always starts from the date of service, DOS, not from the date of rejection or denial. So once that deadline passes, even a corrected or resubmitted claim won't get paid. And that's how easily revenue gets lost if you miss the timely filing window. Now let's get to the real question. Why do most timely filing limit, TFL, denials actually happen? Most people think it's because billers are careless, but that's rarely the case. In reality, TFL denials usually happen due to delays between the provider, clearinghouse, and payer systems, not human negligence. Even a tiny mismatch in the claim submission date, a claim rejection that wasn't refiled within the window, or missing attachments like medical records or authorization letters can silently eat away your filing time before you even notice it. As an AR caller, you have to know that some clearinghouses hold claims for up to 48 hours before transmitting them. And if that transmission fails or batches get stuck, your filing timeline keeps running. That's why seasoned billers religiously track every single claim using aging reports, payer-specific TFL dashboards, and real-time clearinghouse reports to make sure no claim crosses the deadline unnoticed. There are 5 major reasons why TFL denials happen. First, provider credentialing delays. When a provider isn't fully linked or enrolled with the payer, claims simply can't be submitted. Second, incorrect or missing patient or insurance information. Even a small error, like an incorrect date of birth, policy number, or spelling mistake, can completely block a claim submission. Third, claims stuck in pending or draft status within your billing software, often overlooked during high volume or busy billing cycles. Fourth, late receipt of the primary EOB, explanation of benefits, while filing secondary claims, a very common yet preventable cause of TFL denials. And fifth, poor coordination between the front office and the billing team. For example, when demographic or insurance updates aren't communicated in time, the billing team ends up working with outdated information. And sometimes, it's as simple and painful as this: "We just forgot to send it." Sounds small, right? But in medical billing, even one missed submission deadline can cost as much as a denied claim. That's why professional billers never rely on memory. They rely on solid processes, accurate tracking, and perfect timing. Now, let's understand one of the most important parts: how to avoid timely filing limit, TFL denials. First things first, always verify each payer's TFL before submitting your claims. Every insurance company has its own clock. Some start counting from the date of service, DOS, others from the discharge date, and a few even from the date the claim is received by the payer. So, never assume. Always confirm. Next, maintain a payer-wise TFL tracker in Excel or your CRM system. This is non-negotiable for professional billers. It helps you visualize deadlines in real time and prevents claims from silently aging out. Here's a golden rule: submit every claim as early as possible, ideally within 10 to 15 days from the date of service. Why? Because claim transmission through provider, clearinghouse, payer isn't always instant. Some clearinghouses batch and forward claims every 24-48 hours, and if there's even a single rejection, your filing clock keeps ticking while you don't even realize it. For secondary claims, always attach the primary EOB, explanation of benefits, and submit it immediately after the primary is processed. Don't wait. Every day counts. Now, what if you miss the filing limit? Don't panic. You can still file an appeal, but only if you have valid and documented proof of delay, like a system outage, EDI rejection, payer portal downtime, or natural disaster notice. Some payers accept these reasons under specific guidelines, but again, only if their policy allows it. Remember, prevention is always cheaper than correction. And here's a hidden fact that most billers overlook. Some payers, especially Medicare Advantage or Medicaid managed care plans, calculate TFL based on the claim receipt date, not the service date. That means even a one-day delay in electronic transmission can make or break your reimbursement. That's why I always say, read the payer's policy or provider manual carefully. Every insurance speaks its own language when it comes to TFL. So now you know. Timely filing limit isn't just another billing deadline. It's the lifeline of your revenue cycle, the invisible line between getting paid and getting denied. Because in medical billing, one missed day can mean one lost payment. If you found this video helpful, don't stop here. In our next video, we'll dive into how to handle timely filing denials and win appeals, step by step. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with your billing team, AR friends, or anyone in medical billing, because this tiny piece of knowledge can save your company thousands of dollars every year. Thanks for watching till the end. Keep learning, keep billing smart, and I'll see you in the next video, where we make complex billing processes simple.